Welcome back. The technique of plumbing on a lead sheath cable provides electrical continuity between the armors and the lead sheath. Begin by first removing the layer of protective cotton tape around the lead sheath. Then, using a scraper, remove the oxide layer from the lead sheath. Use a mirror to check the condition of the underside of the sheath. With the oxide layer removed, the prepared surfaces should appear shiny and bright, with no dull spots. Apply tallow to the prepared area to aid tinning and to prevent any oxidizing of the newly exposed surfaces. We will demonstrate the stick wipe using a bar of S5 plumber's metal and a gas torch. First, warm the area to activate the tallow and tin the plumbing area by heating the lead sheath and stick. Then rub the area firmly with the end of the stick. Build up the thickness of the metal over the sheath and armors. Then, using a moleskin cloth, begin shaping the metal into a plumber's wipe. Quick movements of the torch will prevent the sheath from overheating. Excessive heat will burn a hole in the sheath. Continue applying the plumber's metal as demonstrated. Then mold the metal into shape by wiping it around the armors and sheath, so forming the plum. When the plum looks symmetrical in shape, cool the metal with tallow. Use a mirror to view the underside of the plum, which should be symmetrical and smooth. Remove the temporary binder holding the earth wire in position, as well as the binder on the cable. Apply a few layers of P&B tape over the jute serving and armoring. Then tape around the conductors of the earth wire and the end of the wipe, leaving the work looking neat and tidy. After the break, we will strip the lead sheath and fit a typical indoor heat shrink termination kit.